water to them, and they walked away just fine. They produced embryos again.
It's an astounding capability, suggesting that alien organisms could reach our planet on a meteor. And back in Scotland, results of the DNA tests from the mysterious jelly samples are in.
Hi Andy, I've got results that you're wanting from that new sample of the jelly from Bathgate.
Okay, great. We tried to extract DNA from the sample, which we did, and then we amplified up the DNA and we sequenced that DNA. Unfortunately, all we could get was the fungi that was colonizing it. So we were not able to get any DNA that was not of fungal origin.
It seems the only life present in this sample is from Earth, and Taylor feels the outcome proves his case.
I don't think it ever came from outer space. I'm not a great fan of panspermia, which is the origin of life elsewhere.
But a world-renowned astrophysicist at Cardiff University in Wales thinks differently. And now he may have found the missing link that proves alien life rains down on Earth.
It's known that something like 100 metric tons of cometary debris enters the Earth's atmosphere on a daily basis. A large amount of that, large fraction of that, is organic, and that also there's not a lot of dispute about that.
Chandra Wickramasinghe is one of the leading scientists investigating modern panspermia theory. The theory of panspermia states that comets and meteors seeded life on Earth, and this process continues.
Panspermia is not something that would have stopped 4 billion years ago.
And the proof might be found in the little red cells from the red rain in Kerala, India.
This is the original sample diluted several times, I gathered, because they're running out of the original red rain.
The first tests confirm that the cells may indeed be of biological origin.
They have extremely thick cell walls, maybe several layers of cell walls.
And they exhibit other strange characteristics.
We detected high amounts of calcium and titanium, unusual elements that we don't find in normal cells.
Further lab tests reveal more surprising capabilities.
They have been shown also to be resistant to ultraviolet, to shock treatment and so on. So they have all the characteristics of being space travelers.
That's not all. The cells contain markers telling the scientists they contain DNA, but they cannot identify its specific structure because they don't have anything to compare it with.
We don't have a close enough match to any known microorganism that it's sort of signaling an alien origin.
And now, Wickramasinghe's team has made an even more unexpected discovery.
We've discovered only weeks ago that the red rain cells, when they are subjected to 130 degrees Celsius temperature in an autoclave, could reproduce.
These cells are not only designed to survive a trip through Earth's atmosphere, they thrive in it.
They are the most thermophilic, heat-loving of organisms that are known on Earth.
For Wickramasinghe, this is a monumental discovery.
We have not proved an alien origin, but I think the alien origin is sort of looming large on the horizon.
And this might also be the case for many of the star jelly sightings.
Red rain has been reported almost from biblical times and allegedly earlier than biblical times. And likewise, the star jelly has had a very long history. This leads me to think that we cannot rule out the possibility of a connection.
Yet, a concrete answer remains elusive. Tons of matter from outer space continues to rain down on our planet. Whether or not any of it carries alien life is still debatable.
Occam's razor would suggest that it would be more reasonable to look for an explanation for a natural phenomenon on Earth, from Earth, rather than trying to explain it by some kind of extraterrestrial manifestation.
However, one thing seems certain. We aren't alone in the universe.